Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a new box to introduce to the channel today, and I for one am happy to have it. It is the Cacao Company Craft Chocolate Subscription Box. So let's get into this and check it out. When companies reach out and ask if I'd like to feature their box on the channel, they'll send it over for review, I immediately go out and research them, see if it's something that I think you guys will like, something I will like. I went out, started doing a little bit of research on this, and I was like, yeah, we have to have this on the channel. It is craft chocolate, and I read all about a lot of the chocolate companies that they work with, and it sounds absolutely amazing. This was sent to me for review, and I will be an affiliate for it. If it's showing, that means I've opened it, I've really enjoyed it, and that's why you're seeing it. If by chance, and you would never know this, I taped this and I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here, so I wouldn't be an affiliate for it. So if you were seeing this, spoiler alert, I loved it. These are premium small batch chocolates. Oh, when we open it up, inside it's in a little bag. It already looks craft, doesn't it? So the chocolates are from around the world. You will have 4 to 5 bars each month. It is on sale for $46.99 right now. And of course, like with all subscriptions, if you extend it out over a longer period of time, 3, 6, 12 months, the price comes down. This is what it looks like when we get it out of there. It makes me think of a bag of coffee. I mean, this may very much be how they also do chocolate beans, but I can't wait to get in there. We have some paperwork, so let's see what the paperwork says. Welcome to the Cacao Box. You think it's cacao or cacao since it's cacao for chocolate beans. They are chocolate purveyors. Begin your journey to discover the best craft chocolate from around the world. Take time out of your day to truly enjoy the bar you are tasting. Avoid distractions and scents. Interesting. Well, I only have water, so no scent will get involved because, oh, in case it wasn't clear, we will be trying these. Smell, snap, taste, enjoy. Well, let's do all those things. I went ahead and they told me that I could look at the June blog. It's already up on the site, so if you want to go read more about the chocolates that I'm getting ready to tell you about, you can absolutely do that. So they have a blog each month that will tell you about your chocolates. Let's go ahead and take them all out. We have 4 this month. Ooh, they're pretty. This one is square. It is Akesson's Single Plantation Chocolate, 75% Criollo Cocoa. I'm going to do my best, you guys know, with all of this. And that is what that looks like. We're going to try these, but let me show you what we've got first. This is a Raka or Raka 71% cacao pink sea salt. I think that it makes the most sense if we start with the smallest percentages and work our way darker, because it becomes, I don't want to use the word bitter, that's probably the wrong word to use, but you know what I mean. Chocolate, darker, the higher the number, the darker the chocolate. This is the Manoa Maya Banana 70% dark chocolate. Banana flavors of Hawaii, made in Hawaii. And then this is Mirzam Chocolate Makers. This is a 72%. So these are all close enough, actually. Now that I've said we'll start with the lowest and work highest, we have such a small variation here. We'll just have what we want. This is a dark chocolate, single origin Papua New Guinea. I mean, you're not running across that in your local grocery store. This is going to be so much fun. Since this one is in our hand, let me scroll down because I do have a little bit of information about each of these as we open it. The Mirzam Chocolate Makers is an Emirati chocolate maker founded in Dubai. They designed their chocolate production process to be transparent. You can experience every aspect of chocolate making at the chocolate factory, from roasting the cacao to hand wrapping each bar. They have selected cacao plantations located along the historic trail in Vietnam, Indonesia, Madagascar, Papua New Guinea, India, and Cuba to create a single origin chocolate bar. This one is 72%, and it says their deepest, darkest tasting chocolate bar with a strong, smoky flavor note, picked up during the drying process when fermented beans are spread over raised trays and hot smoking coals underneath. The smoke generated to dry the beans infuses the cocoa butter and can be tasted in the finished bar. The tasting notes are smoky and deep. Okay, let's try them. When we open it up, it is very pretty. Can you guys see the design on the chocolate? It is so pretty. Since I'm gonna have 4 bars, we won't have a lot. We're trying to be better. That is what it looks like. Wow. Be right back with you. That is amazing. You know, when you start thinking a very dark 75% bar, you expect it to kind of hit the back of your tongue. Like I said earlier, I hate to use the word bitter, but you know what I'm talking about. It has that little bit of tang when it hits the back of your tongue. This is so smooth and creamy. You are clearly eating dark chocolate. You can taste that it's, my mouth is watering. It's so good. You can taste that it's dark chocolate, but there's nothing, I think kids would like this. I mean, I would never share this with kids, but the point I'm making is I don't think that it's so dark that everyone wouldn't love it. That is delicious. I got a little bit of the smoke just in the back. Oh my gosh, that is, my mouth will not quit watering. That is so good. Wow. So that was the Mirzam. I hope I'm saying these right. It is a 72% single origin dark chocolate bar. Let's try our other single origin before we start adding other flavors. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of water. And this one is the Akesson's, or I guess it could be Akesson's, but Akesson's is what I'm gonna say. Madagascar, 75% Criollo chocolate. So this one is gonna have even more chocolate in it than the other one. The other one was 72. This one is 75. And what they've told us about this maker is that they are the first tree to bar chocolate maker. The Akesson family started with a single plantation in Madagascar. Today, Bertil Akesson, I really hope I'm saying that correctly, has expanded the company's cacao network with plantations in Madagascar, Brazil, and Indonesia. If you've tried craft chocolate or world-famous chocolatier chocolate, it is likely that it has come from one of his cacao plantations. They've won a multitude of awards and are regarded as one of the best craft chocolate bars on the market. This bar, the 75% Criollo, is harvested in limited batches. The beans are grown in a region famous for cacao production. The 75% bar with classic Madagascan tart fruitiness, and it will have rich and tart red fruit flavor. Okay, I don't know if this is like wine, like I have to be smart enough to be able to pick up on those flavors, or if it will be obvious. When we take it out, look, it's wrapped in plastic, but you can see, can you see the A on it? You love chocolate, I love chocolate. Especially when I'm being very good, I try and buy the darker chocolate, so this speaks to me. Just broke off that top little corner. We're gonna give it a try. You can tell just by looking at it that although it's dark, can you tell that it's just gonna be creamy? It just got a nice snap. Oh my goodness. Even I get that tartness, that fruitiness. You guys, I feel guilty eating all this chocolate in front of you. I want to share. I wish we could share all of this. That is so good that even though it's a dark, once you start chewing it, it starts like melting. You know how sometimes dark chocolates can be chalkier? They don't have that smooth, creamy that a milk will give you. Both of the bars that I've had so far, even though they are dark, they're not chalky at all. They're really, just really nice and smooth. I don't know, perhaps that I have ever had quality dark chocolate. I used to buy things at Whole Foods and I thought I was buying the best of the best, but I was not. Okay, let's cleanse my palate again, and we're gonna move on to the Raka or Raka. We're gonna go Raka. 71% cacao, pink sea salt, unroasted dark chocolate. Interesting. I was getting ready to say, I wonder what that means, but on the back it says, why unroasted? We're devoted to making uncommonly delicious chocolate that captures the brighter, bolder, and fruitier side of cacao. That's why we make every bar from scratch with unroasted cacao beans sourced from growers we trust and admire. The unique flavor of our unroasted chocolate is part place, part process. we craft our bars in celebration of each cacao origin's unique character. All of their chocolate is made from scratch, bean to bar in Red Hook, Brooklyn. This is a fruity, complex, salted dark chocolate to end all salted dark chocolates. Made with single origin cacao from Zorzal Cacao, a farm and fermentary within a bird sanctuary in the Dominican Republic, and sprinkled with Peruvian pink salt sourced from Salt of the Earth Company. It is earthy and cherry. Let's try this one. When we open it, I'm going to show this one like that. Can you see that it says Raka right in the middle, and it kind of looks good. This one had a really nice snap too. That's what the interior looks like. That is so good. Again, creamy, not chalky. The salt is so subtle. Like, you know, when you think salted caramel and it's like salt, this doesn't hit you like that. This has just got a little salt to it. It's not like they poured salt on it. It is so good. And it is so different than these two. It's amazing that chocolates can be so different from one another. This is delicious. I guess it's probably the salt, but something about this almost tastes a little smoky to me too, which is interesting because this is the unroasted dark chocolate. Yes, it has a very different flavor unroasted than it does when it's roasted. Both are delicious. I would not send either away, but it's amazing how different it can be. Next, we have the Manoa Maya Banana. This is a 70% dark chocolate. They're saying it's Hawaiian flavors. Manoa Chocolate is an artisanal chocolate maker located on Kailua, Hawaii. They are dedicated to creating high-quality chocolate, working closely with cacao farmers in Hawaii and other parts of the world to ensure fair wages and environmentally friendly farming practices. All their beans are hand-selected and carefully roasted in small batches to preserve their unique flavors and aromas. Manoa Chocolate is committed to supporting local farmers and promoting sustainable agriculture. I'm laughing because this is all so good. My mouth is watering and it is making doing the readings difficult. A fruit brought by Polynesian settlers on their long voyage to Hawaii, banana is known as one of the canoe plants, crops essential for living. Maya banana, that's what I'm saying like it's a name, means banana, was used for sustenance, offerings, and as a medicine. So our tasting notes are banana, passion fruit, and coconut. You guys know coconut is my favorite, so I can't wait to see if you can really taste the coconut. So when we open it up, that is what it looks like. So just for the record, we got all of our dark chocolate bars, all 4 of them here and in pristine shape, so that's nice. And I am seeing now, I'm gonna move this down in case you couldn't see it. This is branded Manoa in the middle also. Oh my goodness, the dark chocolate, oh, it just hits you. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. Oh, and it snapped off perfectly in its line. I love that. Oh wow, this is amazing. So different. It is amazing to me how different each one of these bars are. I can absolutely taste the banana in here. I don't taste what you would say is coconut. I taste other fruity based flavors. It almost tastes, and I don't think it does, let me double check because I don't want to be wrong. Ingredients: a cacao, organic cane sugar, banana powder, and cocoa butter. Okay, it almost tastes like it's got a liqueur in it, and I'm sure that's the banana, but it tastes delicious. And like I said, almost like it has a liqueur. It's a real adult flavor. It's delightful. I love all of the boxes that I do, and I will not play favorites, but I'm going to tell you, I love chocolate, and I thoroughly enjoy dark chocolate. These are the 4 bars that we received this month. It is, I've been saying cacao. It makes sense that it would be cacao because cacao. I will put the link below so that you guys can go over and check it out. It will be an affiliate link. It is premium small batch craft chocolates from around the world. Each month, they curate a selection of 4 to 5 bars of the finest chocolates. They search the world for the finest craft chocolate bars and bring them right to your doorstep monthly. From rich darklet Peruvian chocolate bars to new startup chocolate bars on the come up, you never know what you'll get inside the box. And just for the record, because I worried about this a little too, during warm weather months, they ship your chocolates in insulated shipping kits with cold packs to prevent melting of chocolates. Mine were all perfection. Okay, thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know the answer, I will reach out to them and find out. This was amazing. It was all delicious. They all tasted different from one another. So this was truly a curation of trying different dark chocolates, which I thoroughly enjoyed. I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a good evening, guys. Bye.